To change the batteries on your Interlogix motion detector, we'll want to remove it from the mounting bracket. To do so, located at the top is a tab that we'll want to press on. Pressing down on the tab and pulling down towards ourselves, we'll leave the mounting plate on the wall, and the other part will be in our hand. We'll want to flip the part over, and we're going to notice that it says tab on the bottom and in the top. From there, we want to press on those tabs and pull back. This can be tricky to do, and if necessary, you'll want to use a flathead screwdriver to apply pressure to make sure that we're not getting pinched. Once the device is pulled out, there are two AA batteries, one on the left and one on the right. To remove those, I recommend using the same flathead screwdriver to pop them out of their spots. There is also located on one of the sides underneath the battery a jumper. This jumper comes as default for PET Immune. If you want your motion detector to be more sensitive, you can move this by pulling it out and move over for a more sensitive motion detector. Your motion detector comes as default, and the technician, unless instructed otherwise, will leave it at PET Immune. This will also help prevent false alarms. Only move this device over if you're looking to have a more sensitive motion detector. Inserting the batteries using the positive going up as displayed on the motion detector, and then on the other side, positive pointing down. We'll then want to reattach the cover, aligning the slot in the top with the light at the top of the device, and then reattaching it to the mounting plate. I recommend going from the bottom, pushing up to the top. We want to ensure that this is secure and on. If not, your motion detector will report that it is tampered.